The electricians had to move outlets and switch boxes around. They left us with some holes that need to be patched.
That's right. So it's too hard to cut a piece to fit the hole. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cut a hole to fit the patch. So what we're gonna do is a 3/8 blue board. We're gonna trace all the 4 sides with the pencil. Okay, lines are done. Now we're gonna use my utility knife so we can cut the plaster around.
Oh, there it goes.
Well, see? The plaster's coming right off, nice and clean. Look at that. Perfect. Because we have the lat, we're gonna use the piece and screw it right in.
Okay.
And if we didn't have the lat, if this was, say, drywall, we would still oversize the hole, stick in a piece of strapping, secure it to the wall, and then the patch to the strapping.
So this is much easier.
And to cover the cracks, we're gonna use a mesh tape, a drywall tape. Just goes like that. Use my utility knife again to cut it. Then we go over here at the top. Once again, just press lightly.
It's got a little adhesive back there and help it stick.
Yes, the adhesive on the back of this tape will help to stick to the blue board and the existing plaster. Now it's time for some joint compound. Nice and easy. Don't need to put a thicker coat. We're gonna use like a 2 or 3 very thin coats. We're gonna build up to make it nice and clean looks. First coat's done. It's gonna take a few hours to dry. 2 more coats to go. Okay. We got a lot of holes to patch. Let's get going.
All right,
let's do it.
Downstairs.
Okay, Joe, press the knife a little bit more. Oh, easy, easy. Yeah. We don't want to break what we don't have to. That's it, fits. Make sure that's all nice and clean. Perfect.
All right.
That looks good.
So the 4 corners?
One on the corner. A little bit further up.
There?
Yep. That's good. That's good. Those goes one shot.
Okay, Mauro, what do you think? Is he good enough to join your crew?
It looks good. It's part of the crew now, Kevin.
I'm sure that's reflected in the bill.
I'll do that.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.